Multiplayer is a new type of scene that was recently added to Delightex Edu. It allows you to play your projects together with friends and classmates. Create a new project and select Multiplayer. Start building your multiplayer experience. When you're ready, press play. Customize your avatar and jump right in. Once play mode starts, you'll automatically become the host of the session. To invite your friends, simply copy the link or share the session code with them. They can open the link in their browser or enter the code to join you. Then you're ready to play together. As the host, you can view all active players in your session at any time. Just remember, when the host ends the session, it ends for everyone. Have fun creating and exploring amazing projects with your friends.